Oprah Winfrey, From Pain to Power. Oprah Winfrey was born in 1954 in Mississippi, USA. Her family was very poor. She lived with her grandmother. They had little money. Oprah wore dresses made from old potato sacks. Other children laughed at her. Life was hard. But her grandmother taught her to read. Oprah loved reading books. She was a smart girl. Even when she was small, Oprah had big dreams. She wanted a better life. But her home was not safe. She faced many problems and felt very sad. Still, she kept going. She never gave up. She believed she could do something good. She wanted to speak and help people. Her early life was full of pain, but it made her strong. Oprah learned to be brave. Even when everything was against her, she kept hope in her heart. That hope led her forward. Oprah had many problems as a child. She was abused by people close to her. She felt hurt and alone. At age 14, she ran away from home. She became pregnant, but the baby died. It was a very painful time. Many people would give up, but Oprah did not. She went to live with her father. He was strict but cared about her. He made her read and study every day. Oprah followed the rules. Slowly, she started to feel strong again. She focused on school and books. She started to speak in school contests. People saw her talent. Oprah felt better when she read and spoke. She found peace in learning. Her past was painful, but she did not let it stop her future. She kept moving forward with strength, courage, and a dream to rise. Oprah loved school. She was very smart and enjoyed learning. She spoke very well and won many school speech contests. Her teachers saw her special talent. They supported her and helped her grow. At age 17, Oprah got a job at a local radio station. People loved her voice. She spoke clearly and with feeling. Oprah liked her job and worked hard. She felt happy when she spoke to others. It was the first big step in her career. She started to believe in herself. Her voice had power. She could make people listen and feel better. Even with a hard past, Oprah found hope in her work. School and reading gave her strength. Oprah learned that her words could change lives. She knew that she had a gift, and she wanted to use it to do good. After college, Oprah got a job on TV. She worked as a news reporter, but her boss said she was too emotional. They removed her from the news. Oprah was sad. But soon, she got another job. She was asked to host a talk show. It was a small show, but it changed her life. Oprah was perfect for this job. She listened to people and spoke with feeling. Viewers liked her very much. She talked about real problems and feelings. She was kind and honest. People trusted her. Oprah did not pretend to be someone else. She was real. This made her special. Her show became popular. Oprah now had a new path. She learned that her feelings were her strength. Being emotional helped her connect with others. This job became the beginning of her great success. In 1986, Oprah started her own show, The Oprah Winfrey Show. It became the #1 show in America. Millions of people watched it every day. Oprah talked about family, love, pain, and dreams. She listened to people with care. She gave away gifts, books, and even houses. She helped many people. Everyone loved her. Oprah was kind, honest, and strong. She cried with people. She laughed with them too. She made people feel safe. Her show ran for 25 years. It changed many lives. Oprah became more than just a host. She became a friend to the world. People felt like she understood them. She gave them hope. Oprah's show made her a star. But she stayed humble. She remembered her past. And she used her fame to help others. Her heart stayed big and true. Oprah did not stop at her show. She wanted to grow more. She started her own company called Harpo Productions, Oprah spelled backward. Now she owned her show. She made the rules. She also started a magazine and later a TV network named OWN. Oprah became a billionaire. She was the first black woman to do that. But money was not her main goal. She wanted to help others. She gave to schools, health programs, and poor families. Oprah believed in doing good. She said, "Use your life to help others." She showed that business can be kind. She worked with truth and love. Oprah became a powerful woman, but she stayed honest. Her company gave jobs to many people. She proved that hard work and kindness can bring great success. She built her world with care and heart. Oprah always wanted to help people. She gave time, money, and love to others. In South Africa, she opened a school for girls. It was called the Oprah Winfrey Leadership Academy for Girls. She gave them books, food, clothes, and hope. She wanted them to be strong and smart. Oprah also gave money to many charities. She helped children, schools, and families in need. She said, "Education can change the world." Oprah believed in helping others grow. Even after her show ended, she kept working for good. She used her voice to support big causes. People respected her. She showed that real success is not just money. It is love, care, and giving. Oprah became a global helper. She gave people a better life. Her heart was full of kindness. She used her power to bring light and hope. Oprah's story teaches us many lessons. She had a hard start, but she did not give up. She turned pain into strength. She believed in herself. She worked hard and stayed kind. Oprah says, "Turn your wounds into wisdom." She wants people to learn from pain. She also says, "You become what you believe." Oprah believed she could rise, and she did. Her story shows that anyone can succeed. You don't need to be rich or perfect. You just need hope, courage, and honesty. Oprah helped millions by being herself. She listened, loved, and gave. She proved that even one person can make a big difference. Today, she is more than a star. She is a guide, a teacher, and a friend. Her life is a light for others. Her lessons will live on forever. Oprah Winfrey's story shows that we can rise, no matter how hard life is. She never gave up. She believed in herself and helped others. You can also be strong. You can also shine. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, please share it. Believe in yourself. Your journey matters.